So far as the scaffolding of oeCloud application is concerned, there are several popular options which are available, and these are you could use the oeCloud repository and clone the repository onto your local machine. And the second one would be to use the oeCloud CLI, and the third one would be using the starter kit. So you could choose any of these options. But as of now, oeCloud CLI and starter kit is yet to be released for the OEC Next, and so therefore we could clone the oeCloud repository and get the scaffolding done. So I will be demonstrating this shortly in this section. Now let us review the scaffolding steps in a nutshell. To start with, we need to clone the repo and install the node modules. So to do that, we would issue the git clone command, and along with that we will pass the oeCloud repository as the parameter, and the oeCloud repository is hosted on the github.com's edgeverve site. So subsequent to the issuing of this command, the git clones a copy of the oeCloud repository onto the local machine, and once this process is complete, it will create a folder called oe-cloud, and so you will have to shift to this particular folder and then do an npm install. Recall that the npm install command will install all the node modules which is as per the package.json. So the package.json comes along with this cloned repository, which will contain all the entries for the internal and dev dependencies, and all these things will be installed once you use this npm install command. So this is the step number 1. The step number 2 would be about data migration, and the step number 3 would be about build and run the application. So we will discover more about the step number 2 and step number 3 in the next 2 videos.